In this quick video, I'll be showing you how to get your village square to level 5. First of all, you'll obviously need to get your village rating high enough. To do so, you can place things like decorations, such as shelves around your village, adding extra walls and roofs and different stories, adding extra beds, and including replacing your existing beds with the fancier bed upgrade. But most of the points will likely come from building log cabins and log structures, such as these two here. After building both of these, I've now unlocked enough to upgrade to level 5. So next up, Knotroot. We need 15 of these, which you previously used. Once again, a quick reminder, you'll need yourself a uncommon axe, which we can get from the crafting table. The forest axe will do, using bone and wooden rods. With this, we'll need to head across to a cave, and inside of it, collect a Knotroot, which is those twisty wood bits from the wall. After collecting 15 of them, we can come back. On top of this, you'll need marble for this. We can also find this from grassland caves, which of course are caves located in grassy areas. Now, what you need to do is get yourself an upgraded pickaxe in order to do this. The pickaxe over here, uncommon, should do fine. You'll need to convert Knotroot into Knotroot rods at a lumber mill such as this. Then once you have 3, you'll be able to craft yourself the uncommon pickaxe. Once you have this, head all the way back to the closest grassland cave, and inside of it, you'll be able to mine up lots of marble. When you come back here, you should be able to upgrade it to tier 5. On top of this, you'll need 20 planks, so you'll need a whole bunch of wood. This could be a bit annoying as we need 20, which is quite a bit, so you'll need to find yourself a tree that we can chop down and collect enough. After collecting enough wood, you'll need to convert it into planks, so we need 20 of these, and this is going to take quite a bit of time in order to complete. There we go. We've crafted 20, so we'll take it, head across to our village, and upgrade it. There we go. Now that you've upgraded it to level 5, we've unlocked a few things, including 13 new recipes. These include, on the builds tab, a log home, which is absolutely massive, requiring a total of 169 wood, a pleasant park building, which is also equally as big. On the building parts tab, bits that go into both of these, including wooden floorings, different kinds of wall that are yellow, and of course white ones too. On the supports tab, white pillars, different kinds of roofs for these new buildings, including yellow ones. On the furniture tab, we've got new tables, new couches, new lamps as well, a edgy bookshelf, and finally on the decorations tab, a rug and different books. Pretty cool. On top of this, you've also unlocked rare explorers visiting, villagers gain extra health and defense, and finally another village slot. That's it. Anyways, that's really about it for this quick guide. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.